Hey guys, Magic here. Welcome to another episode. And today I'm going to show you how to make this Casey Neistat running effect. He uses this in a lot of his videos where he runs through the frame, the background is changing, but he's not changing. And yeah, today I'm going to show you how to make this effect. Let's go. And what do you need for this shoot? Grab your camera, grab your tripod, and get out of your house. Set up your camera. Decide the focal length you want to use for your video. You should then keep the same focal length during the whole recording process. And then make sure the picture is even towards the ground. So just use the bubble level on your camera or on your tripod and balance it out. In the end, it should kind of look like this. Then you gotta decide what the whole framing of your effect is gonna be like. For example, I want to have more of the sky and the surroundings in my frame. So the ground is gonna be on the lower third of the whole frame. Next, step in front of your camera, go at least 5 steps away from your camera. Then remember how many steps you went away. If you didn't go 5 steps away, like maybe you went 6 away, 7 away, I don't know. Just remember how many steps you went away from your camera. Then move parallel towards your camera out of the frame to your left side or to your right side. Next, run through the frame parallel to your camera. And this whole process repeat at several different places. Set up your camera, do the framing approximately the same as in all the other shots. Step in front of your camera, then always walk the same amount of steps away from your camera and then run through it parallel to your camera. Keep in mind that you should always run from the same side through your frame. The editing. No. Put all the clips into your timeline. Now take the first clip, you see me running, and then you can already cut right here at the start. Set a cut, go to the next clip and continue with the run at this position. So you gotta cut a little bit away from the beginning of the clip. And now it seems like the person didn't change and only the background changed. This process we will apply to the next clips too. Look at the position of the person, adjust the next clip to that, then the background changed, again set a cut, and so on. If you guys accidentally run from the other side through the frame, no problem, you can just put the flip filter onto it. And if the framing was a little bit bad, adjust it in the transform area. Cool, and this is the effect you get at the end of this whole thing. In my opinion, it looks pretty cool, and you can also do this, for example, with jumping, or I don't know, maybe you do something else cool. Maybe you do a backflip at several different places. But you can always use this technique with the framing and all that. Do something in front of your camera, and then you can match cut it all together, and it creates this very, very cool effect where you don't change, but all what is behind you changes, and that looks pretty cool. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe is always appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye.